This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. The National Association of Realtors said that sales contracts on previously owned U.S. homes fell 0.7% in October from the prior month. The index, which is considered a leading indicator of existing home sales, was down 1% from the prior year. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi suggested former Federal Reserve Chairman Paul Volcker as someone qualified to become a federal czar to oversee a financial bailout for automakers. Meantime, Ford Motor Company is in talks to sell its Volvo car business to its China partner, Changan Automobile, and Chrysler LLC, and China's biggest domestic automaker, said they've called off talks on cooperation due to the global financial crisis. Lawmakers are ready to trade accusations about who deserves most of the blame for the collapse and government takeover of mortgage finance titans Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The two companies were seized by federal regulators back in September. Walmart will pay up to $54 million to settle a class action lawsuit that alleges that the discount giant cut workers' break time and allowed employees to work off the clock in Minnesota. Sony's cutting 8,000 jobs, that's 4% of its global workforce, and Disney chief financial officer said that advanced bookings at its theme parks and its resorts are down by about 6% in the first and second fiscal quarters. That's an improvement over the 10% decline the company was anticipating at the end of the September quarter. Economic reports coming out on Wednesday include the October wholesale inventories report and November's federal budget numbers. Earnings today, Novellus Systems expects to report a fourth quarter loss of at least 15 cents a share. Broadcom now expects between $1.05 and $1.1 billion in fourth quarter sales. AutoZone earned $131.4 million. That's down less than 1% from $132.5 in the same quarter last year. And Kroger Company said third quarter net income fell to $237.7 million or 36 cents a share. Analysts expected earnings of 38 cents a share on revenue of $17.5 billion. Pep Boys Manny Mo and Jack reported losses for the quarter narrowing to $7.3 million or 14 cents a share. Scheduled earnings on Wednesday include CKE Restaurants, Hooker Furniture, Grief Incorporated, Korn Ferry International, Peregrine Pharmaceuticals, and the Alpine Group. Stocks in the news today included General Electric's NBC Universal securing Jay Leno's place at the network by giving the host the 10 p.m. Eastern Time weekday slot. FedEx Corporation cut its full-year profit outlook to $3.50 to $4.75 a share. Merrill Lynch's chief executive John Thain has decided to sacrifice his 2008 bonus, $10 million bonus. And Nokia traded higher after Goldman Sachs upgraded the handset producer to neutral from sell. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.